Guys, this is Marcos, and today we're in my room. It's a little messy. I just ordered some bookshelves and I'm rearranging everything around. But today I got my Hot Topic actually had some restock. They put some Mandalorian restock Funkos, and I want to open them and check them out. So I got these three. I'm a huge I like the Star Wars Funkos, and also my favorite ones are the Stormtroopers and Bounty Hunter ones. I just like the detail on them, so right now we'll open them up. Yeah, so the first one we're gonna open them up is the Mandalorian one. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of the Mandalorian. I like the show. The show was really good. But favorite part of the Star Wars, the whole saga and the whole Star Wars Mandalorian logo is pretty cool. Comes in the box. I don't think this is the first wave of Mandalorian. What is that called? Funkos. It's a 345. I seen other ones with other numbers. So this is what the box looks like. It looks like this is the updated version. Mandalorian armor, where he has a full steel, or I forgot, best card I believe it was called, armor, which is what he got when he got Baby Yoda, or not Baby Yoda, the child armor. So I'll pull up a picture on there now so you guys can take a look at it. All right, so here's the Funko. Trying to fix the lighting a little bit so you can see the detail. This looks to be like the latest the last armor he wore in the show, which is I have a picture of it right here. Let me try and fix this so you guys can look at it, where that's the armor that it looks like inspired this Funko right here. So looks pretty cool, very detailed. It has the rifle, it has like the chrome on the front, has the straps, the full metal, I believe it was called Beskar look, which is pretty cool. On the show it looked super cool. It was full chrome, so he would stand out a lot. So like I said, I'm a fan of the Stormtroopers and the Boba Fett kind of build with the mask and the armor. I think that's the best part of Star Wars. So yep, this is the Funko. And let's open up the other one. Give me a second. We're gonna look at the heavy infantry Mandalorian armor suit, or Mandalorian. Let's check it out. So this one also comes with the Mandalorian logo on the inside, which is pretty cool. I'm sure it inspired a lot of tattoos. This is what the box looks like. Here's the other Funko Pops that come with it. Like I said, my favorite ones are the ones that have the armor and Stormtrooper look. So that's what I'm collecting right now. So here we have the heavy infantry. Mandalorian, and very detailed. Let me put it next to the regular Mandalorian. So here's the regular Mandalorian, or not the regular, but the one inspired from the show. And then these came out in the show as well, which is the ones that had like jetpacks or something like that. Pretty cool colors, makes them stand out. Pretty cool gun. The yellow, the blues, makes it stand out. The little antenna here, so pretty cool. And then let's check out what inspired these. So I have a picture on the computer right there of what inspired what inspired this Funko Pop, which is very detailed, very cool. All right, so right here we have the Incinerator Stormtrooper, which came out at the end of the Mandalorian, at the last episode, where when they're locked in when they're barricaded in that building, which is pretty cool. I've never seen this one. I think it was a new one that they actually put out there. I've never seen it in any of the Star Wars movies, so pretty cool. Let's unbox it. This one, since it's Mandalorian theme, it also has a Mandalorian background in there, which is pretty cool. This is what the Funko Pop looks like. So I'm guessing he has this mask with more stuff, probably for him to be able to breathe, since he's you know, flame throwing fire. Looks like his flamethrower pack is right here. Also a bobblehead. Very detailed Funko. Sorry about the lighting. So the armor's pretty cool. It's all white and red. Probably red to distinguish that he's the flamethrower guy. So you don't want to mess with this guy because he's gonna burn you. So pretty cool. Let's see what inspired this guy. Let's see my computer. So that's the shot that I was able to find online of the Incinerator Stormtrooper, and pretty cool guy, pretty cool built. Since I'm a fan of all the Funkos and the Star Wars Stormtrooper look and Boba Fett look, I thought I'd bring some of my other Funkos. We got Boba Fett right here. I believe this is a Imperial Guard. This almost looks like the flamethrower guy. I forget the names. Captain Phasma, which is also pretty cool. She has pretty cool armor. But yeah, these three will be nice it'll be a nice addition to the collection, and I can't wait to have them lined up and set up. Have a little army of armored Funkos. Possibly put them up there. Put them up there with my other Funkos that I have up there, and my Dragon Ball Z Funkos and stuff like that. So here's part of my collection, the ones that I've opened, and I still haven't opened this one from Rogue One, which is an assault tank trooper combat fighter or stormtrooper. But yeah, this is the best part of Star Wars. All the armor, the mask, the detail, pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching the quick unboxing of these Mandalorian Funkos. Please like our page or our YouTube channel, and comment below which one's your favorite Funko from Star Wars or the Mandalorian.